Good day everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Apriano Cruspiro. I am Junior Lotohot and together with my group members from Group 4. Today, we will discuss about the how inspections are to be conducted for detecting damage and defects commonly encountered in cargo spaces, hatch covers, and ballast tanks during severe weather conditions. So what is severe weather conditions? Severe weather conditions such as heavy storms, strong winds, and high waves can significantly affect a vessel's structural integrity. Proper inspection of cargo spaces, hatch covers, and ballast tanks is essential to detect damage and defects early. These inspections help ensure the safety of the vessel, crew, and cargo while maintaining the seaworthy lines. So the general inspection procedures. During severe weather, inspections must be carried out carefully and systematically. Ensure crew safety before conducting an inspection. Use proper personal protective equipment or PPE. Perform visual and physical checks in safe conditions. Monitor areas prone to stress and water ingress. Last is record and report all findings immediately.
Inspections of cargo spaces. Cargo spaces are highly vulnerable to damage due to cargo movement and structural stress. So first is inspections method. The first one is check structural members, frame, beams, stabilizers for cracks or deformations. Second is inspect the top of dents, fractures or corrosions. The third one is lock for loss or ship's cargo that may cause structural damage. The fourth one is examine bulkheads for signs buckling or cracking. The last one is assess protective coating for failing, rust, or breakdown. Common defects or problems you might find: cracks and failures, breaks in metal due to stress or failure, common and rusting, metal damage caused by water and air exposure, deformations, bending or warping, happens when cargo ships or weight is uneven, coating failure, when protective paint wears off leading to rust and damage.
Inspection of hatch covers. Hatch covers are critical for preventing water from entering cargo holds during severe weather. Inspection methods. Check watertight integrity of hatch covers. Inspect rubber gaskets and seals for wear or damage. Ensure proper alignment and securing of covers. Examine cleats, wedges, and locking devices. Look for cracks, corrosion, or structural damage. Common defects: damage or worn out seals, misalignment of covers, corrosion of metal parts, loose securing devices, water leakage, water ingress. Hatch covers are vital components of a ship because they prevent water from entering cargo holds, especially during rough weather, which could damage cargo and affect the vessel's safety. To ensure they function properly, regular inspection is required. This includes checking their watertight integrity to confirm that no water can pass through, as well as examining rubber gaskets and seals since this acts as the primary barrier against leakage and may wear out over time. Proper alignment of the hatch covers is also important because even slight misalignment can create gaps that allow water ingress. Additionally, securing devices such as cleats, wedges, and locks must be inspected to ensure they are tight and functioning, as loose fittings can cause the covers to shape during heavy seas. Inspectors should also look for cracks, corrosions, or any structural damage, as this weaken the hatch cover and reduce its effectiveness. Common defects include worn out seals, misaligned covers, corroded metal parts, loose securing devices, and water leakage, all of which can compromise the watertight conditions and pose serious risks to both cargo and vessel safety.
Inspection of ballast tanks. Ballast tanks plays a vital role in maintaining stability, especially during rough seas. Here are the inspection Methods of ballast tanks. First is check for corrosion and coating deterioration. Next is inspect weld joints and seams for cracks. And next is monitor water levels and pressure changes. Look for leaks or unusual structural noises. Examine internal structures for deformation. So those are the inspection methods of ballast tanks. Here and now let's tackle about the common defects of inspection of ballast tanks. First is severe corrosion. Secondly is cracks in welded joints, coating breakdown, leakage, or structural weakening. So those are the defects of inspection of ballast tanks.
Special considerations during severe weather. Increased wave impact causes structural stress, high risk of water ingress through damaged hatch covers. Cargo shifting may damage internal structures. Continuous monitoring is required during and after the storm. Inspections should be repeated once conditions are safe. When dealing with severe weather at sea, special considerations are essential to protect the vessel's cargo and crew. Voyage planning. Check update weather forecast and routing service before and during the voyage. Avoid unknown paths when possible. 2. Secure the vessel. Ensure all cargo is properly lashed and secured. Close and secured with waterlight doors, hatches, and openings. Double check loose equipment on deck. Number 3. Stability management. Maintain proper ballast to improve stability.